As the vaccine rollout rolls on in Somerset, many people in the top priority groups have now had their first jab. Today at the Taunton Racecourse Vaccination Centre, it was the turn of Cathy Lucas, the mother of Somerset County Council's Public Health Director. How pleased are you to have it done?
Oh yes, very much so. This last lockdown's been really hard. But yeah, hopefully we're on the road to normality again.
The vast majority of people can't wait to get their first vaccine. Yet there are still some who are reticent.
I would never have encouraged my mum to have had the vaccine if I didn't think it was safe. It's been really well researched, fast, which is great because that's what we really need, but actually it's been very thoroughly researched.
So those people who will say, right, I've got my vaccine now, I can go and hug my grandchildren tomorrow, that's not the case, is it?
No, sadly that's not the case at the moment. So at the moment, once you've had your vaccine, it will take a couple of weeks for your body to start to develop the antibodies. But also then, after that, we don't actually know whether the vaccine yet helps to reduce the transmission of the infection. So actually at the moment we've got to keep all those good infection control measures up, even if you've had the vaccine.
Sadly, the internet is awash with fake news stories about the vaccine. Everything from the pandemic isn't real to the vaccine contains animal products. It doesn't. To a nurse in America died after being vaccinated. Well, she's very much alive and well. But the fear is that this misinformation could affect the number of people willing to take up the vaccine.
When thinking about whether or not to have the vaccine, it's not just the benefit to you as an individual, but there is also a benefit to the wider community in a large number of people having the vaccine. So I would urge people to think about their decision and what the impacts of their decision are, not just on themselves, but on everybody else around them.
And there's the added concern now of fraudsters who are out there trying to make money from the pandemic, trying to con elderly and vulnerable people into paying for non-existent vaccinations.
Well, it's important to be aware that nobody will ever knock on your door and offer you a vaccination. Nobody will ever charge you for any money or ask for your personal details. And if they do, you should be very concerned and report it to the local police.
Because that's a scam.
That is a fraud, a scam, whatever you like to call it. They're trying to steal your money.
So the message remains, just wait for that call or a letter from the NHS or your doctor's surgery. They are going along the priority lists. The over 70s are next. And please remember that even if you've had the vaccination, you could still spread the virus. So stay home, stay safe, and keep other people safe. I'll see you next week.